When we look over here at the date, we've only got 2 people signed in for the 15th. And one's going to the dam, and I'm going to Colden. Avalanche Pass, back Lake Arnold, 15 miles round trip. Hopefully, weather permitting. See if I'm strong enough, tough enough, mental enough, stupid enough. And since I have no cell reception, I don't know what time it is. So I'll probably be coming back in the dark. Yeah. All alone in the backcountry by myself in the dark. At least the bears will be sleeping. Woo-ha! Well, the mental challenge is starting to kick in. I've been at it for probably an hour, hour and a half or so. Breaking trail, working my tail off. I post-holed about a mile back and put a hole in my pants with my crampons. And I just noticed that I dropped my ice axe, probably when I fell. Starting to sweat a little bit, which means when you stop, you get cold quick. Oh, we'll see how I do. Kind of crazy. I was working at the gym on the step mill with 50 pounds on my back. I thought I was doing all right. I come out here, I'm working my tail off trying to break this trail. This is no joke. This is the real deal. Something like this, that's probably a walkway, and I got to make sure I don't fall off it. This is, and there's nobody out here except for me, so I can blow that whistle all I want and ain't nobody hearing me. I hope I don't fall. Alright, I'm putting you down, camera. The only trails up here, the only footprints up here are mine. Huh? You like that? Woo! Oh, it's gonna be a good day. Which way do I go? Which way do I go? Which way do I go, George? George, which way do I go? I don't know, George. Huh. Okay. Fairly confident I'm going the right way. I've got no clue though. I've got no idea if I'm in the right spot. This is crazy. I think this is Avalanche Lake, Lake Avalanche. I think I got to get up there. I think I'm going to walk all the way around the lake, walk up the back side of the mountain, and then all the way back home. Haha, this is crazy. Look how far my feet are sinking in. Kind of hard to see. Holy fuck. Oh, I'd be screwed without these things. This is crazy. Holy cow. Don't fall. There ain't nobody coming to get you here. I gotta scramble with snowshoes on and the poles up and down ladders on the side of these things. This is crazy. Holy cow. Oh. You got no idea what's underneath this. Another bridge. Holy fuck. It's kind of hard to see, baby. But I still gotta go all the way up there. It's one of the toughest climbs I've ever done. I lost the trail. I doubled back, I couldn't find it. This is the last final ascent up Colden. So I'm saying fuck it, and I'm just gonna bushwhack all the way up the fucking top. I'm starting to get cold, and it's not really time to play around anymore. Oh, I'm bushwhacking. Maybe I'll run into the markers again. I doubled back, I just couldn't find them. Alright. I'm literally climbing in knee to thigh deep snow. I've been climbing for, I don't know, it's gotta be forever. I thought I was gonna make it up top for the sundown. I don't think I'm gonna. So that means I'm gonna have to finish my climbing in the dark and then climb down in the dark. This is brutal. This is kicking the butt, snot out of me. It's starting to get dark. This is probably my last good chance to get a good view. Going west. I think that's Algonquin over there, the big one. Right there, I think. Oh. I made it! Woo! It's cold! So it's 8:40 right now. I summited at about 5 o'clock. Everything was great coming down to the Colden False Peak. And then coming off the False Peak, I couldn't find the trail. I took what I thought was the right trail, but it wasn't, and I got stuck. And I ended up having to bushwhack down the mountain. And I've been bushwhacking for the last 3 hours and 3.5 hours anyway. I called the DEC 4 or 5 times, but I got no signal. I texted my wife, but I got no signal. I've been following a riverbed, figuring that it would take me back to Marshy Dam. I lost my map. I lost my axe. I've been falling a lot, postholing in waist-high snow. And it's 8:40 right now. I just checked the phone. I got signal. And I just found the blue trail. So I'm good. I can get back now. It's going to take me a few more hours, but I can get back. This was scary. bushwhacking down the side of that mountain when you're wet, knowing that if you twist your ankle, you're done, and there ain't nobody coming to save you. My wife saved my life by making me bring all this equipment. I love you, baby. See you soon. It's gonna be kind of hard to see, but can you see how close together these trees are? When you're bushwhacking down the side of a mountain, you're bushwhacking in between all these trees, and that's virgin snow. Nobody's walked on that, and you've got a whole season's worth of blowing around there. So as I was bushwhacking, I was stepping in that snow, and that snow was sometimes waist deep. And what would happen is there'd be sticks and logs and voids underneath there that you wouldn't see, and you'd step and you'd go right up into your waist. Or you'd get your snowshoe caught wrapped right around those branches that are on the ground, and now you're into snow waist deep, and your feet are locked, and I'd be pulling and I'd be pulling, and I'd have to wiggle my feet around, and I ended up breaking my my new to me snowshoes. So the snow went all the way up my pants. I had snow all the way up to my knees on the insides, and I got cold. And even my poles got ice covering them. My water bottles froze. And, you know, I wanted to be the tough guy, but I said, you know what, I screwed up. I got off trail, and that's a big no-no. Well, I got lucky on this one. I'm sweating. My feet are wet, my hands are wet, my head is wet. My whole body's wet. And I can only stop for a few minutes before I start to get the shivers, and then I got to start moving as fast as I can. So if I twisted my ankle, or if I got stuck somewhere, if my snowshoes broke for good, I'd be dead. I'd be absolutely dead. There's no one coming to get me. And I hiked down the side of that mountain, and I wasn't too happy, I'll be honest with you. I was getting a little nervous. And I found a blue trail. So, make my day. But I'm getting cold, I gotta go.